Hey everyone, I'm Mario, your guide to YouTube success. Welcome to the Speakers Creator Hub, your one-stop shop for transforming your passion for speaking into a thriving online presence. Here we'll demystify the world of YouTube, empowering you to create engaging content, grow your audience, and even generate passive income. Whether you're a seasoned speaker or just starting, this guide has something for you. Get ready to unlock your full potential as a content creator. We'll dive deep into the strategies, techniques, and tools you need to succeed on YouTube. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Get ready to learn, create, and inspire. Ready to take your speaking skills from the stage to the screen? Whether you're a seasoned speaker or just starting out, this guide is designed to help you make a seamless transition. You're in the right place. Here, you'll find all the tools and tips you need to become a YouTube sensation. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the essential elements of building a successful YouTube channel. From understanding your audience to creating engaging content, we've got you covered. We'll start by unraveling the mysteries of the YouTube algorithm, understanding how to get your videos seen by the right audience. Knowing how the algorithm works is crucial for your success. Then we'll dive into content creation, covering everything from planning and scripting to filming and editing. Each step is vital to producing high-quality videos that captivate your viewers. But it's not just about creating great content, it's also about optimizing it for search. We'll show you how to use SEO tools effectively to boost your visibility. We'll uncover the secrets of YouTube SEO, ensuring your videos rank high and attract viewers. Keyword research and analytics are key components of this process. Finally, we'll explore the exciting world of YouTube monetization, revealing how you can turn your passion into a source of passive income. Learn the different ways to earn money from your channel. Get ready to transform your passion into a thriving online business. With dedication and the right strategies, your YouTube journey can lead to incredible success. The YouTube algorithm can seem like a mysterious beast, but understanding its basic principles is crucial for your success. In simple terms, the algorithm is designed to connect viewers with the content they'll find most engaging. It considers factors like watch time, engagement metrics such as likes, comments, and shares, and relevance to viewers' interests. Your goal is to create content that keeps viewers glued to their screens, encouraging interaction and sharing. The more engagement your videos receive, the more likely they are to be recommended to a wider audience. It's a snowball effect. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your target viewers, and you'll be well on your way to algorithm success. Content is king on YouTube, and that's where your expertise as a speaker shines. Start by planning your content around topics that align with your niche and resonate with your target audience. Creating a content calendar can help you stay organized and ensure consistent uploads. Next, craft engaging scripts that capture attention from the first frame. Use storytelling techniques, incorporate visuals, and keep your viewers hooked with a clear beginning, middle, and end. When it comes to production, invest in good lighting and audio quality. Edit your videos professionally to ensure a polished, final product. Remember, high-quality content keeps viewers engaged and coming back for more. Section 5. Mastering YouTube SEO keywords, tags, and descriptions. Creating great content is only half the battle. You also need to make sure it gets seen. That's where YouTube SEO comes in. Start by conducting thorough keyword research to identify the terms your target audience is searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Tags are like labels that help YouTube understand what your video is about, so use a mix of broad and specific tags to maximize visibility. Your video description is your chance to provide more context and encourage viewers to click. Write compelling descriptions that include relevant keywords and entice viewers to hit play. Section 6. Turning your passion into profit monetization strategies for YouTubers. Once you've built a solid foundation and started gaining traction, it's time to explore the exciting world of YouTube monetization. This is where your hard work starts to pay off, and your passion can begin to generate income. The most common method is through advertising revenue. This involves placing ads on your videos, which can be a steady source of income as your viewership grows. By joining the YouTube Partner Program, you can enable ads on your videos and earn money based on views and clicks. This program opens up a world of opportunities for creators to monetize their content. But monetization goes beyond ads. Diversifying your income streams is key to maximizing your earnings and ensuring financial stability. You can also explore affiliate marketing, promoting products or services relevant to your niche, and earning a commission on sales. This can be particularly effective if you have a loyal and engaged audience. Selling your own products or services, such as online courses or merchandise, is another lucrative avenue. This not only provides an additional revenue stream but also helps in building a personal brand. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and a dash of passion, you can turn your content creation dreams into a profitable reality. Stay consistent, keep experimenting, and always engage with your audience to keep them coming back for more. Section 7. Building your passive income empire. Strategies for long-term success. Imagine waking up to find your YouTube channel generating income while you sleep. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality for many successful content creators. Passive income allows you to earn money without constant effort, freeing up your time for other pursuits. That's the power of passive income, and it's within your reach. By strategically planning and executing your content, you can create a sustainable income stream that grows over time. One effective strategy is creating evergreen content videos that remain relevant and valuable over time. These are topics that people will always search for, ensuring a steady flow of views. These videos can continue to attract views and generate revenue for months or even years to come. Consistency is key. Regularly updating your content can keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Another approach is building a loyal community around your channel. A dedicated audience can be your biggest asset, providing not just views but also valuable feedback and support. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and foster a sense of belonging. This interaction can turn casual viewers into loyal fans who eagerly await your next upload. A strong community not only increases engagement but also drives long-term growth and monetization opportunities. The more connected your audience feels, the more likely they are to support you through various revenue streams. Remember, building a passive income stream on YouTube requires a long-term mindset. Patience and persistence are essential as you develop your channel and refine your strategies. Focus on creating high-quality content, engaging your audience, and exploring diverse monetization methods to secure your financial future. By diversifying your income sources, you can create a more stable and resilient financial foundation. Section 8. Join the creator community. Subscribe, like, and share your thoughts. Congratulations on taking this significant step towards YouTube mastery. You've learned about the algorithm, content creation, SEO, and monetization. Now it's time to put your knowledge into action. Start creating, experimenting, and most importantly, have fun along the way. But remember, you're not alone on this journey. Join our thriving creator community by subscribing to the Speaker's Creator Hub. Hit that like button if you found this guide valuable and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's support each other, exchange ideas, and grow together as a community of passionate creators. Your YouTube success story starts now.